Ready to turn your passion for baking into a legitimate home-based business in California? First, you'll need to complete a food safety course from an accredited provider. Search online for California approved cottage food operator training. Once you finish the course, you'll receive a certificate of completion. Next, register with your local county health department. Visit their website and look for cottage food operation registration. You'll likely need to submit your food safety certificate, a list of products you intend to sell, and a description of your kitchen setup. Understand labeling requirements. Every product must have a label with the business name, product name, ingredients list, weight or volume, allergen information, and a statement indicating it was made in a cottage food operation, but this product was produced in a home kitchen that may contain allergens. Make sure your area is up to scratch with operational guidelines. Cottage food operations are only allowed to make certain foods, and your products must be stored in your home. Keep your kitchen clean when preparing cottage food and prevent pets from contaminating your work area. Cottage food operations can sell directly to consumers at events, farmers markets, or even directly from your home. Now you are ready to set up your cottage food business in California. Good luck!